Today we're bringing down the new Kobe 8 Protros. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Zach here with Tamsters Kicks, and we got a banger today. Kobe 8 Protro. This is the Venice Beach colorway. I was beyond excited to get this colorway in. I've loved this one for what, like 10 years since it's been out. I don't have some recent Kobe 8, so I really wanted a pair. I've heard a little bit of mixed things about these compared to like the Halo pair or even the like all over 8s. But I wanted these ones because the colorway is so crazy. So Kobe Bryant, we all know, this pack came out as like an anniversary of Kobe's like last game, kind of the same day. So man, I miss Mamba. But we got the Venice Beach colorway today. We're gonna break it down. If you guys haven't seen a video from me, we're gonna go through the traction, cushion, support, materials, fit. I got all that on wrap, all that good stuff. Throw in some videos throughout the videos, well, little B-roll shots of me playing in them. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. It's a little YouTube, but let's get into it. All right. The Venice Beach 8s, baby. This is a pair I have really wanted to get. I love the crazy colorways, and especially like the nods to like Kobe's like kind of like his roots in like LA, like Venice Beach. You know, it's got that crazy like iconic street ball court. That's kind of the colorway vibes, and just that like nice, vibrant, like, as you guys may know, I'm all for like the crazy, like, I don't know, just any color that's not a basic color, I'm all for it. First up, the traction overall is a gummy, nice, translucent bottom that feels solid on the courts. All right, first off, you have this classic glass fiber carbon shake plate right in there. I love that feel in there. I feel like it probably is pretty good. Stability, support, and durability as well to that mid-foot area along. And I love this like gummy traction pattern. Now I say gummy because it's really, with the translucent, sometimes it's like a hit or miss. Like, I know I got some, oh my gosh, they're all translucent. You got these ones, and they just feel a little different, I feel like. And I'm gonna like how they break down, because I've loved how the Kobe 5s have broken down as far as that translucent, because you never really know how they're gonna break down. But I loved how these ones broke down. I want them to do the same on the 8s, and I think they will, because I love the bite, the feel of them on the court felt really nice, like almost no dust collection, no pickup. The cushion is filled with a React insole that's thicker and adds a little bit more weight to it. So Lunar Foam was the OG setup on the original Kobe 8s. These come with a React insole. This is a pretty beefy unit as a React insole. I don't know exactly how I feel yet. I need to play in it more for sure, but they added this little blue foam piece as well. It's a little bit more sturdy on the like lateral curvature on your like on the outside of your foot. So I did like that, but like this is weighty to it. This has got some strength to it, so a little bit different. That Lunar Foam was definitely different on the OG ones, but overall it did feel like that more cushiony feel to it. Not as much of a court feel to it, I would say, if it was a thinner, more like lunar insole, but it did feel nice. Materials have some reflective details and engineered mesh around the shoe. So synthetic materials fill this part here medially and towards the back heel, as well as reflective details on the back heel with the Kobe like Mamba logo. They used to have like those socks that you'd wear that would like match it and it'd go up, kind of look sick on the like the OG Kobe 8s, but you also have this engineered mesh all around here. I love the breathability of them. Some people say it might not be the most premium and like you're getting a Protro, let's change things up. I don't really care about that. I think the only thing maybe is you could have actually stitched this Nike swoosh, but they did make it reflective, so I don't know. Like, I feel like just do some bulky, like nice, like, oh dang, like these are Protro. Like, make it stand out that we did something different, because I think the tongue is the exact same as well. And I mean, people don't really like the tongue, but I like this tongue. I think it's flexible. These pieces sometimes can cut into your ankle because this top part it's pretty firm, but I haven't had a problem with it. In the past, I didn't really, and I like the cut of them. So I did like the tongue on it. The fit, very, very interesting on these, because it is definitely a narrow shoe, but I think if have a really wide foot, what's going to happen is, as you see when you compress, if you guys can see that, if you compress the shoe when your foot's in there, this padded mesh part, your foot is going to be right here. So medially, your foot will probably hang over just a little bit if you have a wide foot. This is probably a good test to tell if you really have wide feet, because your foot will hang over. It does that to me on the Sabrinas, on these ones, and it sometimes feels a little weird. Like after I play for, if it's like 3 hours, then I really start to feel it around my like fascia on the bottom of my foot. But other than that, I think if you went a half size up, they might be too big. Because it's not like they're super narrow here. It's literally just in the mid-foot area. So I'd probably stay true to size. I'm a wide foot, and I went true to size, and I like how they fit. I think if I went bigger, it might not be good. I'm going to wear a thinner sock with them, and I think it should balance that out. But probably true to size. With the support, this heel counter is so nice. Something that Kobe's do very well is they add this super nice supportive system here. I love how it comes along up here. You have this little like TPU as well along the eye straights to add a little bit more support throughout here. Then you get into this more bulky, beefy here. You got a little cushion, it's padded. This heel counter is very nice. And I think it just feels good. Like Kobe's, you guys probably know by now that I love the support on low top Kobe shoes. I feel like they wrap your foot so well. The court feels really nice, and I don't think you can go wrong with them. Traction, giving it an 8.5. I love it. It could even be a 9 because I feel like it feels really good on the court. I love the translucent aspect, and that carbon fiber plate, it's nice in there. With the cushion, 8 out of 10. I don't know because I want to see how it breaks down, but this foam is really thick, so I might want to put a different insole in. Maybe look at something like a Kobe 5 or even like the Kobe 6. Maybe try to get something like that. Looks a little bit different because I feel like it's kind of thick, but it did feel good on foot. Materials, 8.5 out of 10, maybe even a 9 because personally, I like how it feels. It's breathable, it's airy, it's not too constricting in any places, and I really did enjoy playing in it. With the fit, probably the only kind of disappointing thing, if you ask me. 8 out of 10, just because wide foot, I don't know, maybe the 11.5 would just fit better going a half size up, but I think true to size is going to be the way to go on these, and it's just a little unfortunate if you have a really wide foot that you're going to get a little bit of hanging over here. But support on these bad boys, 9 out of 10. I mean, honestly, with Kobe's, you just can't go wrong with them, and I feel like these do a really good job with the eye straight connections too, keeping you really like locked in here in this back part, and then adding a little more support with the TPU and the rigidity of it. And overall, I was excited. I'm happy I got the Kobe 8s in. What do you guys think about the Venice Beach colorway? I mean, it's the best one, let's be honest. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. More Kobe's coming out. When the Kobe 9s come out, I'm buying every single pair because that is my favorite Kobe shoe. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.